Okay, I'm gonna do a little food review of Brolls, Brolls Vietnamese restaurant in Olongapo City, and I enjoyed it. It's kind of hidden behind a garage, so I'll kind of show you a little bit kind of where it's situated at. It's near Perimeter Road, not far from Gordon Hospital, near Cindy Kelly Hotel, if you know where that's at. Not far from SM downtown, but you go back through this garage. They have a nice seating area, very nice outside. Inside is small but adequate, very nice. Good paintings on the wall, Vietnamese paintings, or pictures of Vietnam. They have a CR, and one thing, they do have Saigon beer, and they have Hanoi beer. So I know I had Saigon Green when I went there. Very good. I think it was about 120 pesos, not bad. But yeah, so the food itself, the things I've tried there, I've gone there twice. I like to go a couple times to give a fair, I guess, review of something, or fair comments. So I've had the pho, I've had the bún chả now, and I've had broken rice, it comes with pork, and then I had the spring rolls, the fried spring rolls. Everything was good. I know I put in my pho, I made sure I asked them for some chopped up chili, because you always get so much of that stuff over in Vietnam. So whatever they gave me is like one cut up. I just tossed it in there. So it had me crying after a little bit of eating it, but it ended up eating the whole thing, drank the broth. So yeah, it was pretty spicy, but it was good. The meat was tender, vegetables were good. They gave you plenty of like bamboo sprouts and other things to put in there. So that was good. I like compare. I've been in Vietnam, I've been to Saigon, I've been in Nha Trang, I've been to Da Nang, I've been to Hanoi. And I know Hanoi is famous for the bún chả, and I really like the bún chả there in Hanoi. This was more of a soup dish, but it was still good, very good. Just a different type of bún chả than I was used to in Hanoi. And that's where actually bún chả was, I believe, created, just like egg coffee. The pho was good, like I said. The broken rice, you know, the pork was good, very tasty. So I didn't have many complaints with the food at all. The spring rolls was good. So with a vinegar dipping sauce or whatever they had, it was good. So I'll show you videos of most of that food, and so if you're in, and it was very reasonable. I went and had first time I went by myself. Second time I had two other people with me, and the total bill was like 1,200 and something pesos, and that was with 2 beers, iced tea, the food, all the food we had, and then so it was like 4 dishes. And it was $12.75, I believe. So it's a little less than $22, 21 something, which I thought was real reasonable with the drinks. So yeah, it's highly recommended. I think the pho was $2.50, but I'll post all the prices on this video, so you can see, as well as videos and pictures of the food. So I just wanted to put that out. If you're in Olongapo City, check out Brolls Vietnamese restaurant, and that's Brolls Vietnamese restaurant in Olongapo City, and tell them George sent you. Thanks for watching. Take care always. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Take care.